Now, the US-led efforts to end the fighting between Israel and Hezbollah enter a new phase with Lebanese President Joseph Aoun, who has landed in Washington. He's scheduled to hold a key meeting with President Donald Trump on Tuesday at the White House. Now, these talks will essentially focus on strengthening the ceasefire between Israel and Hezbollah and will also discuss Israel's withdrawal from southern Lebanon region. The visit by the Lebanese president comes after sixth round of US-mediated talks between Lebanese and Israeli officials in Rome. After the sixth round of talks, reports quoted US officials saying that both sides agreed to create pilot security zones in the southern Lebanon region. Under a US-brokered framework, Israeli troops would gradually withdraw from pilot zones. The framework aims to gradually end Israel's military presence in southern Lebanon region. However, there is no deadline for a full US-Israeli withdrawal, as the process is linked to the disarmament of Hezbollah and other armed groups, which has been rejected by the Hezbollah camp. Parallelly, fighting has not completely stopped in Lebanon, with Israeli forces having remained inside what they describe as a 10-kilometer security zone along the border region. Israeli airstrikes have also continued. Lebanese state media reported fresh Israeli strikes in Tyre and Nabatea towns along the border regions. Lebanon's Ministry of Public Health has claimed that more than 4,000 Lebanese have been killed and over 1 million have been displaced by Israel's war on Lebanon, that is, since the month of March.